Before we get to listening, I'd like for you to go get a piece of paper and a pencil or crayons or something to draw with. And when you are back and ready to go on, go ahead and press play. All right, now that you're back, I would like for you to listen to this piece of music. We're going to listen to and follow the AABB form. And it's asking the question, when is the music soft? When is the music loud? So I want you to be thinking about that. This is another piece by Handel that we talked about last week. He wrote a lot of great music. This one is from Royal Fireworks. So I want you to take a listen to it, draw what you think you hear. If you are seeing maybe your knight is fighting a dragon, maybe that's what's happening. Maybe you're seeing it in the midst of a war. Maybe you're seeing your prince arriving. Whatever the case may be, I want you to draw a picture of what you hear, what you think is going on during the song. So, enjoy the music from Mr. Handel's Royal Fireworks. Now that you have your paper and pencil, let's go ahead and pick up that pencil or drawing utensil and get ready to draw. Here we go.